Yeah. Gonna do a little experiment here with the table. I'm going to yeah, when I run the car, I'm gonna put the camera at the end of the track like I did Friday night during my live, and see how it turns out. And for next Fridays, I'm going to push the table back against the wall, and I'm going to take the laptop over and put it on top of the refrigerator and put the camera at the end of the track and film it that way. I'll try it both ways, see how it works. Yeah, welcome to Slot Car Room. Yeah, welcome to Tyco Tuesday. I'm not sure if this is a Tyco or not. Scott sent this. It comes from Scott's House of HO. It's a heavy car. Thinking it's a 440 times 2, but I don't know. Somebody gifted it to me. Alright, cool. And it is a 440 times 2. It's a Citgo number 99. Citgo. Yes, it is. Wow. It's got a brand new chassis on it. Yeah, it's been around the track maybe 4 or 5 laps. That's about it. We will, yeah. I'm going to do that car. Why not? It's Tyco Tuesday. It's a Tyco. Yeah. Let's bring you guys around here, and we'll get started on it. And yeah, it's another NASCAR. I'm gonna put you guys on pause. I'll bring you back around here, and you'll be looking right at this bad boy sitting here. Hold on a minute. Yeah, you guys are in luck. I have this car, number 99, but it's not the Citgo. It's just looked at it now. I can't even remember what it is. Whatever it is. But yeah, this car, it looks pretty dang new. It's got some sticky stuff on the rear end of it. VSMSKE.com. SuperGuard. Those are oil filters. And yeah, talk about some minor sponsors. The Ford Taurus. Good thing I don't race Tauruses anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna let's just put this on a dyno. We'll see what she does. Bouncing around. Next to a pair of silicones on. Got 230 out of it. Let's see if we can get let's oil it and put some silicones on the rear end of it. Hell, we might as well do the front while we're at it. Okay, let's get some 440 fronts. That's a skinny one. That's a skinny one. Okay. I think we want these taller tires. I don't think we want the little. Yeah, this hub here, it must be smaller than this hub because the tires slid out a lot easier. And I noticed when I took this tire off, it came off a lot easier. Just a little drop right there. oil and go from 230 to 260. Break in, it's going to hit 270 or 280. And now I'm trying to get the glue from the tape off the bumper. On the left side. Might have been a sponsor decal. And it got rubbed off, but the glue stayed on. I'm not sure. But, yeah. Got her pretty good now. I'm surprised Scott didn't rub this thing for 20 minutes like he normally does to a chassis before he, oxes it off or gives it away. I'm not sure. Someone gave me this, and I apologize because I don't remember who it was. I really don't. Someone gifted it to me. Scott said that it was gifted by such and such, and it was during his live show Saturday night, and I was coming out of the bathroom, and I could hear him talking when I was walking in the living room. And I heard what he said, but it didn't register in my brain. I really don't know who it was. Yeah, I think this thing broke in half and somebody super glued it. But that's okay. It's free. It is free. Yeah, this thing looks way better with those silicones on it. Way better. Yeah, it's getting a little hot. I think, I'm not going to make any assumptions. Never mind. But I think it was rebuilt, tweaked. Something was happening to it. I'm going to get the book out, and we'll see what this thing looks like in a book. I think it's probably in the back of the book. And that's where we'll start looking in the rear. In the rear with the gear. Well, I'm not sure where to look. Let's just sift through these pages a little faster here, and maybe I can spot the NASCAR and the Ford Taurus. Okay, now I'm stuck on a freaking page. There we go, right here. There we go. Stuck on the right page. There it is, right there. 99 Citgo. It's a Ford Taurus, number 7. Number 7. Set only. 01 only. Blue, white, orange. Number 99 Citgo. And from set 95 281. Now let's see if we can find 95 281. Right way down here. Can you guys see that? 18 set only, 01, black, yellow, number 22 Caterpillar, Burton. So that one right there. So these two here came together. You guys can't see that. These two here came together. This one here and this one here. I'm not sure if I had that number 22 Caterpillar. I have a 22, but I think it's Maxwell House or something like that. That came 01 set only car. And no, I do not have the other one. Okay, let's take this bad boy over to the track and we'll take her for a test drive. Yeah, she's going real good. Don't run too bad. Doesn't want to stay on the track, but as we've seen in the past, that just may be the driver. Hardly room on this track to open it up anywhere. Anywhere you try to open it up, it comes off. Might try putting bank turns down here. We can open it up coming down around there. That would be really cool. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's actually a real nice car. Real nice. Yeah, it's a pretty cool Taurus. I can't see nothing else wrong with it, but I got bad eyes. Yeah, tomorrow I get an eye exam. It's a VA. Yes, sir. Yeah, it looks like somebody touched up the rear wing and got a little paint on the old .com right above my finger. See the extra blue there? But hey, it's a free car. Thanks whoever it was who had Scott re-gift this or gift it or re-gift it, whatever he did. Scott, I thank you a lot, brother. Appreciate it. That's awesome. I'm gonna throw this bad boy up there. Yeah, this one here's going in the case. Yes, sir. Going in the old collection. Yes, it is. Appreciate you guys coming in a lot. I don't know if I ever said this before or not, but I appreciate you guys. I do. And last video for Friday, I only had 120 some views on it, not even 125. I got over 350 subscribers. if I hadn't lost my channel the second time. The first time I deleted it. The second time I just lost it. If I hadn't lost it, I would probably have about 600 or 700 by now. But I don't know where they all went. They ain't come back. There's a lot of guys I see in Scott's, and especially Mark's, and they ain't coming in here. So I don't know. Maybe I said something that pissed you guys off. I don't know. You guys don't comment. You don't leave me any comments. You don't give me a thumbs up. But if you are coming in, you are watching this, I appreciate you. Thanks for at least for coming in. But I appreciate you even more if you would at least subscribe. You ain't got to comment, but subscribe. I think some of you got mad when I said, it's supposed to be 7 words or more. Well, that's because YouTube has, rules. They go by guidelines. And if it ain't 7 words or more, they don't count it. You just leave me a thumbs up, or you just leave me a yeah, or that's really cool, or something like that. That's cool, but it's not cool with YouTube. They don't appreciate it. I do, but they do not. So yeah. All right, appreciate you guys coming in. I got my track coming from my train tomorrow. I ordered more. I ordered 12 35-inch straights, 12 of them, a box of 12, so they'll be coming tomorrow. And my road bed, I'm not sure when it's going to get here, but yeah, my insulated pins, my plastic pins for my switches came today, and along with this car. Pretty cool car. If you're a Ford guy, you love this bad boy. Yeah, it does shine. Scott, you did put a shine on. I appreciate that. I got that, whatever it was on the rear bumper. I got it off. But yeah, I think that stuff just needs to sit and soak into it and loosen it up more for a few days. What was in the mail, and then it came right out. All right, appreciate it, guys. Give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, get notified. And I appreciate it if you subscribe. And I will catch you guys Friday for, thank God it's Tyco Friday. Another Tyco Tuesday in the book. Thanks for coming in. Later.